Polaris has designed its hinge system with you, the installer, in mind. In this video, we give you a simple yet comprehensive rundown on how to install a Polaris soft close hinge. Firstly, ensure the hinge panel and latching are plumb level. Dismantle the hinges and fix the hinges to the hinge panel with the speed adjustment cap to the top. Make sure to use the packers supplied to wedge hinges into the glass cutout to eliminate gate sag. Place timber blocks under the gate to rest the gate on. Use wedges on timber blocks to adjust the height of the gate. Set the gate 2 mm higher than the panel next to it to allow for gravity. Use packers to wedge the hinges into the gate cutout to reduce gate sag. Make sure the hinges are square and level on the gate and hinge panel. Tighten the fixing screws with a good quality tool to ensure the correct tension can be applied to the gate. Remove the timber blocks from beneath the gate and test the function of the gate. If the speed needs to be adjusted, adjust the top hinge first. Adjust one setting on the cap and then test the speed again. If more adjustment is required, remove the safety cap from the bottom hinge and adjust the bottom hinge one setting as well. The top and bottom speed settings should be no more than one setting apart. And that's it. Best of luck installing your next Polaris soft close hinge system.